then we have a circle. If 0 is less than e is less than 1, then it produces an ellipse. If e is equal to 1, it produces a parabola. And if e is greater than 1,
thank you.
It is a hyperbola. And this can either be a plus or minus sign, and this can be a sine or a cosine. What the changes in the sense or changes in the function, it just orients the curve in a different direction. And just to show you that it is, as I claimed, let's do one. Let's say r is equal to 3 over 1 plus 1/2 the sine of theta. And I want to change that to a rectangular coordinates. So we have to remember that x is equal to r times the cosine of theta, and y is equal to r times the sine of theta, and r squared is equal to x squared plus y squared, are kind of conversion things. So if I clear fractions, I have r plus r over 2 times the sine of theta is equal to 3. So I can replace this with y. R plus y over 2 equals 3. Subtract y over 2 from both sides. R is equal to 3 minus y over 2. And now square both sides. R squared is equal to 9 minus 2 times the first times the second, 3y plus the second squared, y squared over 4. This is x squared plus y squared, so we have the equation x squared plus y squared is equal to 9 minus 3y plus y squared over 4. Get all the y terms on this side. X squared plus 4y over 4 minus 1y over 4 is 3y squared over 4 minus plus 3y is equal to 9. Well, if we complete the square on the left-hand side, it gets messy, but anyway, I guess we can do that. We write as x squared plus 3/4 of y squared, let's see, 3/4 is 3/4 out of 3 is 4. 3/4 times 4 is 3, plus something to be added is equal to 9 minus whatever we add. Actually, plus whatever we add. Half the middle term squared is, half this is 2, 2 squared is 4. Looks like I added 4, but what I really added was 3/4 of 4, which is 3. So this side now is x squared plus 3/4 of y plus 2 squared is equal to 12. If I divide both sides by 12, x squared over 12 plus y plus 2 squared over 16 is 1. This is an ellipse whose center is at 0, -2, whose semi-major axis is in the y direction at a length of 4, and whose semi-minor axis is in the x direction at a length of 2 times the square root of 3. And that's the form of an ellipse. So sure enough, that example equation is an ellipse. I'm not going to ask you to do the conversion from polar to rectangular or rectangular to polar. I was just simply showing that, yes, in fact, an example is what we claim it to be with, in this case, E equaling 1/2, which says this is ellipse. Okay. So, again, let's graph one of each of these at least. So why don't we start with